Hello, everyone. My name is Adrienne Hodes, and I am the Associate Director of First Time in College Recruitment here at Seattle U. Let me start by acknowledging that these are truly unprecedented times, and like many institutions, we are preparing for a primarily virtual fall quarter with about 90% of our classes online. You'll note from our top 10 most popular majors, they certainly span across our 4 undergraduate colleges. We remain direct entry for all of those programs. That's particularly important for nursing. However, we also have a great mix of advising programs for any undecided or undeclared student joining our community. You'll also acknowledge that we have some great new programs, both majors and minors, that we're very excited about and able to offer for the incoming students. We're also really looking forward to having our Center for Science and Innovation come to life. It's expected to be complete in 2021. Not only will it be home to our biology, chemistry, and computer science programs, it will also house our radio station, our Center for Community Engagement, and classroom space for many of our students. Switching into the admissions side of things, our application deadlines remain the same. We have early action, which is November 15th, and regular decision, which is January 15th. Probably the most exciting and significant change for us is that we are now test optional. What we hope that you, your students, as well as their families know about this is that we're deeply committed to being test optional. A student who is unable or decides that they do not want to submit their test scores will have no disadvantage at all in the admissions process. That will not impact their admissions decision or any scholarship eligibility. And that certainly goes for all of our programs, including nursing, our honors program, as well as our scholarships, merit scholarships, as well as some of our specialized scholarships like the Sullivan Leadership Award. On that note, you'll note some of our bigger scholarships are listed here. The Sullivan Leadership Award is given to 9 incoming first-year students and includes both tuition and room and board for the 4 years that they're with us. The Seattle U-Bound Scholarship is a tuition scholarship that is for students who are recipients of the college-bound scholarships, meet the household income requirements, and have a 3.5 GPA or above, and again covers full tuition for the 4 years that they're with us. We also have the Costco Scholarship, which is about $10,000 and is given to students from underrepresented backgrounds who are joining the Seattle U community. And finally, our merit scholarships, they range from $7,000 to $21,000 per year for the 4 years they're with us and are given at the time of admission. You'll note here are certainly our commitment to supporting students and the many offices that help us do that, whether it's by creating community spaces, resources, cohort-based programs. We have a variety of different communities and offices on campus that are genuinely committed to student success, ensuring that students have the resources they need, as well as the community and mentorships that helps to ensure their success. You'll note too that we're staying quite busy this fall. Despite being primarily virtual, we have a wide variety of different ways to connect with us, with our prospective students, both workshops, information sessions, one-on-one appointments, and many other things. And I'll end here by just highlighting some of my wonderful team members. We're all here to support you and connect with you in the months and years ahead. Best of luck in the school year, and we certainly look forward to working with you.